everyone, it's me once again, Ming Espiritu Vascos, here in Lendarvic Fashion on YouTube. And for today's lesson, I'll be sharing with you on how to make a Johnny collar. And I'll be using this model for our lesson. By the way, what is a Johnny collar? By the way, what is a Johnny collar? A Johnny collar is a small round or pointed dress collar that has a front split and that fits close to the neck. So you have to start the collar from here only. Okay, and then go to the other side. Okay, let's get started. So this is our project. We are going to measure from here to the center of the back. So we have to take the center of the back there and measure it. Okay, so this is 8.5. So the size of your collar is 17. We are going to cut 17 inches. Now I'll be using different color, and I'm recommending to use or to cut a bias direction. It will be a 45-degree angle, perfect bias cut. Okay, it's small, but we are going to get this part. That is 17. We are going to check whether this material is enough or not. Okay, there and here. So it's enough. There. This is already biased, okay? I folded already into two. Okay, so I'll just cut here. This is for the sake of the demonstration only. And fold it into two again. Okay. Next is you are going to measure the half of the 17 inches. From the center here, this is the fold at the center. Here, you're going to measure 8.5 until here. Okay. And then you have to measure this part to at least 3 3/4 inches, and then here at least 3 inches. Okay, on this part. And then with the use of your tip curve, you are going to do it this way. And on this part, from that angle, just move a bit here, at least ½ inch there, okay? There. And then cut. The allowance is already included here, okay? But here you are going to add at least ½ inch. Okay. Then we are good to go. Then take the half here, put a notch. Now you are going to stitch this part and this part. Okay, here. After pressing, we need to stitch the edge. And attach it on the body. Take the center of the back and place the notch part of the collar here. In and here. Must be exact here. Then start stitching from this part. You have to balance it. After attaching the collar, you are going to place the facing. You have to clip it here. The purpose of using a different color is to emphasize or for you to see it more clearly. Okay. Look at the effect of using a bias cut collar. It's very nice. Okay. See? You have just seen on how to make the Johnny collar, and I believe that you can do too, as long as you are persistent and having the strong determination. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and enjoy learning.